Hi, I'm Cass from Unplug Outdoor Co. I'm one of the inventors of our DOGGO RTT Ramp. We have this ramp utility patent, and I just am going to go through a few differences between the dog ramp and the dog stairs. So first we have the DOGGO RTT Ramp. This is made strictly for dogs. What you do is you connect the bracket on top of the ladder that comes with your rooftop tent. You roll it down, and then you will secure it underneath your ladder. Your dog will then run up the ladder into your tent, and you will roll the ramp back up, and then you will climb back into your tent.
Come on.
Our second option is the DOGGO RTT Stairs. This can be used for dogs, children, and also adults. This one attaches to every single rung on the ladder that is provided with your rooftop tent. You can leave it on your ladder while you fold it up, and it provides comfort on each rung of the ladder. Basically, the dog, child, or adult would just put their foot here and step on up, and then get inside the rooftop tent. What you would do then is push the fabric forward when you want to fold your ladder up, and you would close your ladder up and then stick it inside your tent or the back of your vehicle.
And setting up is a breeze. That's all there is to it.
I'm going to give you a little rundown on how easy it is to collapse your ladder with the DOGGO RTT Stairs on it. Easy to store inside your tent or the back of your vehicle.
Come on, get up there. Let's go, Hawk, up. Get up there.